this video, I will show you how you can update your complete WordPress site including your plugins and themes in cPanel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon. It encourages us to do more and more videos for you. So let's get started. You may have your web hosting done on any other site, but cPanel hosting is the same for all web hosters. I am using GoDaddy cPanel. Once we are logged into our hosting site, we need to go to cPanel settings page and again go to WordPress installation page. Now we are in WordPress application installation page. We need to select the WordPress site we want to update and click this update button. In this WordPress site update page, we can select and deselect to update your plugins and themes separately if needed. Here we have the option of backing up our WordPress site before updating. If anything is wrong with any theme or plugin later, we can revert back to the previous backed up WordPress site. And done updating. Here in backup page you can find the backed up copy before updating has been created. With this we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if you found helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. It encourages us to do more and more videos like this for you. Thank you.